Right, what's up, traders? Happy Thursday. So, daily review. I'm going to start doing these live at the end of each day, a little bit easier. I've been posting them and recording them, but yeah, going to be live at the end of each day, going over my daily review here on Twitter and YouTube. So, make sure to check it out. Before we get into it, this review is sponsored by Edgefield, so go check them out. Link in my bio. So, let's get right into it. So, end of the day, up $421 across all my accounts today. I had a first initial loss on the NASDAQ before finding a nice, solid winner. So, this was my first trade here and my second trade here as well. I did go over this on Power Hour, but we can go over it again here and speak about it. So, let's get right into it. NASDAQ obviously trading below the 200 EMA. This is the 5-minute chart, but the 50-minute 200 EMA, as well as below previous day's VWAP. But we weren't taking out yesterday's lows. So coming to the open, I knew that we could possibly get a retracement, pull back into the previous day's highs, which is this white line coming across the screen. We get a run up here we've had some ISM news today, as you can see on Forex Factory. Yeah, we had some ISM news come in, quite positive. We've got NFP tomorrow, so just keep that in mind as well. But we had some news coming in, and I possibly missed this move. I did document it in my daily report card, saying I probably should have been in it, right? But anyway, we have a second entry as we get back down into current day's VWAP and previous day's VWAP, and that's where I take my position live on stream on ASFX TV. And I added in as we had a big 5-minute bar back down, but we closed back above it. And that's when I knew, okay, this could hold, stop at the initial balance opening range low. And that was my trade. So I had the first initial loser, small, and then I scaled into my winning trade. And that's, I think, the only thing that you can control in trading. I think a lot of traders speak about, having the best entries and everything like that. I think position sizing and exits are more important, managing your risk and then also having good exits, because this trade could have turned into a losing trade. We don't exactly go 1R. You guys know I love trading for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. It doesn't actually exactly go 1R. I end up putting some profits because I added in quite nicely. Green on the day, back in profit on some challenge counts, making some money on some funded and personal. So yeah, just playing the long bias on the NASDAQ. NVIDIA, actually bring up the charts here as well. NVIDIA actually was holding the markets up. Right. So if we have a look over here, NVIDIA ended up 3% yesterday. So NVIDIA tried to hold the NASDAQ up, but Tesla was down 3% as well. And most of the Mag 7 stocks keeping Tesla down as well. Something that I was also watching was this Dow longs off the opening range, initial balance lows as well. But this would be a completely counter trend trading underneath all the VWAPs, right? But I did like the momentum on the 5-minute chart. We could have traded it maybe something like this. As we close back up through the 21 EMA with, maybe 100-point stop. Things are moving right now. Volume's picking up, volatility is picking up. We've got about a 400-point range on the Dow. So I think personally, as mentioned, I think, entries are nice, but position sizing and exits are better to have. But yeah, if you are watching this live, please come join me every single day at the end, around about market close, 10 p.m., 4 p.m. Eastern time, 10 p.m. South African time. I'm going to be doing these lives, daily reviews, lives on Twitter, on YouTube. Check them out, right? Please, I do these, hopefully that you guys can just benefit from them. I had a coaching call today with one of the guys in our Black Show Club and members of our private mentorship, and his average daily winner. So we like looking at things from an average daily win rate, average daily winner, an average daily loser. So average winning day, average losing day, and then the daily win rate, right? And I think that's a better way to look at it in terms of win rate and risk reward ratio. And his average winning day was $215, and his average losing day was $600. So getting that closer, basically, if he has a losing day, 3 of those, 3 winning days, it takes 3 winning days to make back up that losing day that he lost. So I think trying to get your average winning day closer to your average losing day. So if your average winning day is $200, try and getting your average losing day to $200. So within each other, winning day and losing day equal to each other, and then you work on your win rate, right? Your daily win rate. How many days, percentage-wise, are you winning? But yeah, that was my day, as mentioned, up about $400. It's been a solid actual week, start to October. But if you go lesson of the day, the year's flying by. But if you speak just lesson of the day, and this was actually quoted by my funded effects, the key to making more money with prop firms is not to make a higher percentage return. It is to get more funding. Stick to your 1 to 5% monthly target, but grow your funding. Copy across the various prop firms and don't be greedy. So I think I did tweet about this as well, but a solid day here today, trading the NASDAQ off the lows to the high side. First initial loss, and then I got back in with a winner live on ASFX TV. So yeah, if you want to watch me trade live more often, ASFX TV is the place to be. If you want to watch more of these daily reviews, if you're not following me, Twitter and YouTube is the place to be as well. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy these daily reviews. And daily reviews live every single day. Weekly and monthly reviews will be recorded and posted as well. I've just posted my monthly review on YouTube as well. My YouTube link is in my bio, so go check that out too. Appreciate you guys. A good one.